What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Today we are here with another glueless install. Okay, like I'm about to throw all my glues away because I'm over it. Okay, these wigs are giving. Okay, let me show you guys. Hold on. You see that? Oh, y'all, I don't know, girl, that tan line with the wigs be looking crazy, but y'all, this is no glue. This wig is so freaking bomb. I'm not even gonna say too much. I'm gonna review the wig during this install. This 3-second install. Okay, this literally was like 3 seconds to put on. But this hair is so freaking gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. The curls are everything. Like, literally, these are my favorite type of curls. Like, I love me like a big curly hair, but like this, it looks so good wet. When you put mousse, if you wanted to like keep the wet look, you can leave it like this, but I kind of like bigger hair, and when this hair gets big, it is chef's kiss, guys. So if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on this unit, is it something you should invest in? If you just want to know how I install it, I really have to do the air quotations because it's not even an install. Like, you literally just throw and go, period. But if you are interested, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, guys, so today's video is sponsored by Isee. This is their packaging. Super cute. You guys know I love all things pink. So they sent me these beautiful lashes, so many of them. They gave me a little eye mask for when I'm sleeping, because you know the princess is sleeping, period. Isee Beauty little headband and a bonnet. Okay, so this is the star of the show. This is their 26-inch 4x6 closure wig, and let's get into it, y'all. Look close up. This is pre-cut. Okay, this is a game changer. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleach wig. Okay, look at this on my hand. That looks like someone's head. That's my hand, y'all. Okay, this is what the wig looked like when I combed it out. Real big. I love big hair, and I was just so freaking eager to put this wig on my head. So I'm just putting a little bit of my foundation from Ruby Kiss in shade 09. I'm just putting that just so it can blend into my skin more seamlessly. It already did, but guys, look at this. Look at this. We're gonna slide the wig on, and look at that. Boom, boom. Place it where you want that girl to lay, and there you go. Like, y'all, this was giving real, like, no, like, literally run and go get this wig. Do you guys see that? This is giving scalp. Y'all, I didn't do anything. Like, this is literally just putting this wig on. It's so fire. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of Team Stacie to this unit, just a tiny bit. So off camera, I did pluck a little bit more. The hair was already pre-plucked, which I showed you guys in the first clip. That's what it looked like. But I did pre-pluck it just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna put a wax stick and a hot comb just so the hair can really be sleek, guys. Do not skip this step. Obviously, this is like a 3-second way. You guys can just throw it on and literally go. Like, I did that. Like, before I was able to style it, I had to like run a quick errand before I did this video, and I literally threw it on and went, and it was so perfect. But I do want to give you guys like the full shebang, so that's what I'm showing you guys. With the wax stick and a hot comb, it's really gonna give scalp. Like, this is honestly game changing. Like, time is money, and you just saved yourself a lot of time and money. Okay. Alright, guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking that same foundation from Ruby Kiss, and I'm just defining my part just so it just looks, you know, more natural. This is what the wig looks like, big and fluffy and curly. I love it in this state, but I know some of the girlies like more of a wet look, so I just want to show you guys this is how it looks: big, fluffy, curly. Like I said, 26-inch, but it's definitely giving like 30 inches. But I want to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. So I'm just gonna take a water bottle. There's nothing else in it but water, and we're just gonna spray her down, and I'm gonna show you guys these beautiful curls that came about. Like, guys, I just can't. I'm wearing this wig until the brakes fall off. Okay, I love this hair so much. Isee, if you are listening, thank you. I love you so much for sending me this wig. I'm so obsessed with this unit. This is 10 out of 10. You guys did an amazing job. Okay, period. So this is what the wig looks like when it's wet. I'm just taking a Y2 comb and combing it out. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Get into it, y'all. You guys cannot tell me I don't look so bomb. Juicy, like, stop playing with me, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm saying y'all so much. It's just so fire. Like, look at this hairline. Look at my part. Boom, braids right under, period. Okay, This hair was so fire, you guys. Like, this is a must-have. Every girl needs this wig. You need this wig, and that is just on period, okay? All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. Today's video, I feel like, is pretty quick because this was so easy. This is like literally a 3-second install. You throw the wig on your head. If you want to add water, you can. Brush it out and you go. Like, this is so convenient. I feel like these glueless wigs have changed the game, okay? They come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. I didn't even know they cut the wigs for you now. I mean, at this point, literally, you don't have to do nothing. You literally have to do nothing. And even if you wanted to throw glue on here, you literally throw glue right on the perimeter, stack it down, tack it down, and you're ready to go. Like, this is literally perfect, okay? Like, this is a must-have. This is a must-have. This is gonna be my throw-on wig. Oh, my man said, come outside, we going out? Yeah, I'm gonna throw this wig on. Oh, I gotta run to Target real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna go throw this wig on. Oh, I gotta go to Starbucks. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this wig on. This hair is so freaking gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. No tingling, no shedding. Love it. Pre-plug, pre-club, pre-bleach. I mean, what more can you ask for? The length, 26, but it's giving very much 30. Like, oh, I'm so in love with this hair so bad, y'all. Like, I love it so much. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on this unit, y'all, go ahead and hit that link. Hit that link. Don't hit it too crazy though. Don't, because y'all might break the description box, because this wig is so bomb, y'all. Like, yeah. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I love you guys so much. If you haven't already, join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up just so I can give you guys more content like this. Let you guys know, is it worth your coins or not? And yeah, comment down below if you're gonna get this wig, because I want to know, are y'all feeling it like how I'm feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.